be doing this while I'm sick. Adam got me sick, y'all.
Ugh. I can see it saturating your napkin.
Trash can.
Nope.
Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. Today we're following up on last Friday's 2-year special project tour thing.
2 years!
Yeah. Go back and watch every single video.
Every single one.
Back to back and without breaks.
Potty. It's important to potty.
Heard from my dad. He said congrats. And the project's come a long way, and he said we're hilarious.
We're a duo.
Yeah.
You should see us off camera.
Yeah.
We're downright intolerable.
Should see us making each other mad. Adam usually slings insults at me, and I can't come up with anything to combat it, so I just find one subject to pester him about.
All fucking day.
Yeah, stroopwafel.
Stroopwafel or Bigfoot or
Pumpkin spice.
pumpkin spice.
That's a new one. Heard from Mary.
Mm-hmm.
And Mary's a little bit behind. You know why?
She's been playing Xbox.
She been playing Xbox.
It's okay, Mary. Me too. What games do you like to play, Mary?
Mary said a very heartfelt congratulations on the 2-year. Thank you, Mary.
Thank you.
She said we're truly getting a great stride in our video format. Very much looking forward to what the next year brings. Me too. I heard from Ken Ferner.
Hello, Ken.
Hello, Ken.
Welcome.
Nice to see someone that doesn't have an unlimited budget and make some nice projects. Not afraid to admit not measuring twice and cutting once. In reference to the miter cuts on the nightstands.
Is that like half the fun though? Just sort of getting in there and winging it, like eyeballing your material and just sort of.
For me, it is.
Yeah. I mean,
I'm sure I could probably come out with a lot more accuracy if I actually put some. But the thing is, I'm bad at math. That's a big part of it.
Means Woodshop is bad at math, y'all.
Yeah, it's true. That looks about the right length for a leg. And heard from Harry Gary. Said, looking forward to watching more videos at work.
You are reviling.
Oh, dude. It snotted on my Taco Bell shirt.
You got mild sauce on your Taco Bell shirt.
Now I got that Verde sauce. But after that, he said, keep up the good work. He said, I really like your follow-ups with them. Harry Gary.
Thank you, Gary. You're so nice. And not Harry.
So we had asked the question, what is your least favorite wood to work with? And what is your least favorite model of car to work on?
Make of car.
Make of car. Yeah, I heard from J-Mess. He said least favorite wood is probably pine. I could see that. He's not sure if he has a least favorite make of car to work on, but said newer stuff he likes to work on less. Too many bells and whistles.
I think the newest I've worked on was 2007. I think it was that Jeep I had. And that thing was a pain in the ass. Not because of the bells and whistles. It was all pretty standard stuff.
Gary's least favorite wood to work with
Pallet
is
wood.
Pallet wood. Deadly, dangerous, awful pallet wood. Good choice, Gary. He says it's just a pain. Dismantling all of it. Getting the usable wood out of it.
Because there is a lot of unusable. We see a lot of pallets. Some of the construction you see that's just acceptable, like you look at a pallet and you know that it's constructed from at least the pieces of like 10 different pallets.
Yeah, it's like a Franken pallet.
Like, I mean, I'm pretty sure isn't there like pallet refurbishment centers where they
yeah,
send all your
they do a
scrap
bad
shit?
job.
Yeah.
And Gary said he doesn't work on cars. He doesn't even change his own oil anymore.
My goals in life is just to be successful enough to where I never have to work on my own car again. That being said, I've been broke enough in the past where I've had to do it, and it actually I lacerated my pointer finger open at one point.
I remember that.
Yeah, I had to go get stitches.
It doesn't stop.
Well, yeah, it's a running nose.
Yeah,
It's running like Usain Bolt right now.
He says your Bigfoot probably has more mechanic skills than he does. Are we gonna catch that thing, man?
Are we gonna catch the Bigfoot? You have to come out to the deer lease. It's probably a bear. Do you want to get in a fight with a bear?
Yeah. Kevin's least favorite wood is Morta wood.
Never heard of that.
It's a bog wood. It is really hard preserved wood. I've looked it up. In most cases, it's oak. It's like solid black.
Like it's been in a swamp.
So he said it's just really hard to work with.
Is that why they call swamp ash? Is it like, or is it just ash that grows, an ash tree that grows in the swamp?
Kevin says, as for cars, I don't know enough about them to work on them. My dad says, least favorite wood is rotten wood. Dad said, answer your car question. They all suck if you gotta work on them.
Yeah. Me and your dad first bonded over working on cars.
Yeah. Hey, what's the weekly question? What's the weekly question, Adam?
Well, I don't know. We're coming up on a different season, and it seems as if we have lots of subscribers that are from, all over the United States, right? We have some different season changes in Texas as compared to like Ohio or Kentucky. What's your favorite season to work out in the shop in?
Spring is my favorite time of year.
Right.
And in the shop, at first, it's not too bad.
Until it starts raining. Summer obviously sucks, but
it does
it's
suck.
the best for glue drying.
It's the best for glue and splay-wacka.
Splay-wick.
Yeah.
My favorite seasons are normally everything but summer, basically. I'd say winter and fall are good for camping, so is spring.
Yeah, I'm getting more keen on fall in my advanced years. What's your favorite season
To woodwork in.
to woodwork in?
Or I guess a two-part of that. What's your favorite season to work outside in general? Or what's your favorite season in fucking general? We're talking about seasons in general.
That's what's happening.
That's what's happened.
If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, because thumbs up do what?
They fuck the algorithm
In a good way.
in the best way.
Click the notification bell so you don't miss a video of brand new woodworking projects on this channel every Friday, and we follow up those projects every Wednesday. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Please.
Please.
Please subscribe.
I'm sick. Please.
He's dying.
I'll see you on Friday, and we'll catch you next week, eh?
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
What should that skeleton's name be? Victor?
I think so, yeah.
Name it Victor?
Yeah.